going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw Sonic the Hedgehog eating. Okay, so let's get started. Gonna go right here now, and I'm gonna start with a curve right here for kind of the top portion of his mouth, kind of that mouth area that he has. Curve right here. It's gonna be his cheek, and then I'm gonna go over here on this side and curve for the other side of his cheek, right? And I'm gonna pull this down just a bit right there to kind of give him that. And line over here for his mouth, like he's chewing on something, right? We're gonna curve around the corner over here and pull a line right there. Right on. Gonna go over here. I'm gonna pull a line out, curve in. It's gonna be his nose, right? His nose has this kind of like I don't know, it looks like a cork, like of I don't know, something. It looks like a cork, pretty much, of wine or something like that. And I'm gonna fill this in. Down right here. Up. Right there. Then right here for the eye, right there. Gonna go pull up over here, kind of the angle of his brow right there. Up, out. And then I'm gonna pull a line right here for his eye going that way. Up, out, down. Curve down. Line. Line right here. Circle. Circle. Dot right there and dot right there. That circle was a highlight, right, of the eyes. And the dot right there is the pupil right inside there. So he's kind of like chewing and he's like, you know, what's he doing? All right. So far, so good. Gonna go over here now and I'm gonna draw a up, down for a triangle. Line across, up, down right here. Gonna go over here now, curve back. And continue to curve back right here in for one of the spikes. Don't forget, by the way, hit the like button if you like Sonic, if you like this kind of stuff, the Sonic expressions. When you hit the like, helps the channel out, helps it move forward, and it kind of yeah, it's the best free way to help out if you appreciate it. Gonna go over here now for the other side. Out, down, right there. Over here on this side. Out, in. Out over here. In right there for kind of that last spike. Right there. So he's kind of like eating, he's chewing, he's kind of annoyed. He's like, what's going on? Blah, blah, blah. Let's go over here. Out, down for his chest. Curve right here for the arm. Down, down. Line inside here. Alrighty. And let's go over here. Out, in. Curve. Line right here. Kind of, you see the part of his glove right there. Down. Down. Curve. You see a little bit of his hand, but not the whole thing right there. Line. Line right there. Out. In. Out right there. Gonna go over here, curve down. It's gonna be the color change right on his stomach. And let's go over here like he's eating something. So let's just say he has his hand flat and he's holding something. Curve. Let's say his hand goes over there. Right? You see like his finger over there? See his other finger. What would be in his hand, right? I guess it would be a chili dog. Or We have to make something other than that. Chili dog's too obvious. What could it be? Let's just do a hamburger. No, let's do French fries. No, wait. Let's do an apple. Let's just say he's eating an apple. Curve down over here, line out, down, in, curve, line, right there, line right here, and line right here, right there. So that's his hand holding an apple right there, so that's what he maybe bit into. He probably bit into the back of it because he can't see a bite in it. Let's go right here. Curve. Line up, right there. And that's mostly it. It's pretty much almost done. We're just gonna look at little, maybe a line right here, curve, right there, line. All right, and then maybe like some lines right here on the hand itself. Maybe a little bit right here, and let me see, let's just draw maybe a slightly thicker line around the lower kind of parts of his face right here. Don't forget, by the way, check out the cool stuff in the description. There's a lot of free stuff in there. There's a free How to Draw Cute ebook. There's a free Godzilla ebook also, if you find it. I think it's on Gumroad somewhere. Go take a look at that stuff, find it, download it. It is all free for now. It won't be free forever, so absolutely go in there and really get like, if you really want to draw better and you want to draw different things better, that's the best way to do it. Like, drawing is such a fun skill to have. It's so cool to kind of have something that is fulfilling and and just, yeah, it's so good. I can't emphasize how cool that is. Okay, but pretty much it. I want to thank you very much. You're amazing. Oh yeah, stay right there though. Oh, the first thing you can do is to sharing the video is the best way to thank me if you did like the video. Maybe also hit the subscribe, and what I want you to do is I want you to thank you so much, and I want you to stay here for the next lesson, because we're about to go into the next drawing lesson right about now. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.